How to handle adding elements and their parents using Xpath. Okay, I have a case where I need to add a tag to a certain other tag given in Xpath. Example XML. I want to add a tag to both assets. However, the second asset is missing the parent tag, which I want to add. Each asset tag is stored in a variable, say node1, node2. I have the following Xpath. Xpath1 equals services/missions, which, due to the way my program works, I cannot simply store in a different form, i.e. I don't have a place to store just services. I need to check and see if the missions tag already exists, and, if so, do nothing. If the tag does not exist, I need to create it. If its parent does not exist, I need to create that too. How can I do this simply by using this path string? Edit. I want to base all this on a Boolean value, i.e. val equals true, then create tag, and parent, if necessary. If false, then delete tag. I have no other way of referring to the tag I need, since I have layers on layers of functions to automate this process on a large scale. You can check out my previous question here, Python lxml, adding and deleting tags. Edit. Another issue. I don't have a variable containing the parent of the element to add, just a variable containing the object. I am trying to get the parent of the node I want using this path and a variable pointing to the tag. Edit. Never mind the above, I will fix the issue by shorting this path to point to the parent, and using a variable name to refer to each item.
Although I'm not sure that combining add and remove functionality in one function is a good idea. But anyway, this is likely to work as you're expecting.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.